Before you ever sat behind the wheel, before your new car reached the dealership, before anyone handed you the keys, it had already been inspected thousands of times. Every weld, every panel, every coat of paint, every tiny detail matters, because even the smallest defect can become a much bigger problem later. For decades, that job belonged almost entirely to skilled human inspectors. Today, there's another set of eyes helping them: artificial intelligence. If you're enjoying this discussion, subscribe to AI Vision. Every week, we explore how artificial intelligence is quietly changing the world around us, and the surprising places it's already at work. Modern automotive factories are some of the most advanced manufacturing facilities on Earth. Thousands of parts come together with incredible precision, often moving through production at remarkable speed. The challenge isn't simply building the vehicle, it's making sure every vehicle meets the same high standards before it leaves the factory. That's where AI is becoming an important part of the process. Using high-resolution cameras, laser measurement systems, and advanced sensors, AI can help inspect vehicles for tiny imperfections that might otherwise take much longer to identify. It can help detect paint defects that are difficult to see, spot small variations in weld quality, measure panel alignment with incredible precision, verify that components are correctly installed, and identify unusual patterns that deserve a closer look from human experts. That last part is important. AI isn't replacing quality inspectors. It's helping them. Modern vehicles are incredibly complex, and factories produce thousands of them every day. Artificial intelligence helps manufacturers sort through enormous amounts of inspection data so people can focus on the issues that matter most. Think of it as another layer of quality control, quietly checking, measuring, and comparing thousands of details that help ensure every vehicle meets strict manufacturing standards. Most of us never see this part of the process. We only see the finished car sitting in a showroom. But long before that moment, countless inspections have already taken place behind the factory walls. Some performed by people, some assisted by artificial intelligence. It's one of those hidden systems that most drivers never think about. Yet it's helping manufacturers build safer, more consistent, and higher quality vehicles every single day. Artificial intelligence isn't building your car by itself, but before you ever drive it, there's a good chance it helped inspect it. And that's another fascinating example of how AI is quietly becoming part of the modern world. What surprised you most about today's video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.